Here we go, guys, welcome back to the channel, and it is time for the demold. And as promised, the top 10 pieces out of these will be made into pendants and given away for free for the first 10 people that purchase a pendant from the new Etsy store, which is Carvings and EPOXY UK. So make sure you check it out. We've got lots of different resin jewellery on there that we've made over the past few weeks and months. And it'd be great to just get your feedback, you know, see what you think to the pieces. And if you buy one, if you're one of those first 10 customers, you'll get another one thrown in completely free of charge. So let's get on with the demold. Let's see how these have come on. I'll start off with some of the smaller pieces. And again, the great thing with these is I think you will be able to have them whichever side you prefer. And actually the front is really, really nice on these. And if you remember, it was just made with spear resin, but they're absolutely stunning. Again, another smaller piece for those of you that like the small pendants. But just the way that iridescent powder comes through the white as well, I think these are going to be absolutely lovely pieces. And that shine those iridescent powders give, it's something that you don't often see in many pieces, but look at that. Absolutely stunning. It's almost like the ocean. And again, you could wear these the other way around. So I suppose in that way you could wear them one day if you prefer the front like that, or the next day you could wear it like that and get a completely different look. But really happy with how these have turned out actually. I think there's some absolutely stunning little pieces. So that's some of the smaller ones. Now the bigger ones I was really excited by. So I mean, just look at that on the back. Wow. And again, that's just those different mica powders and the iridescent powders coming through. Absolutely lovely piece. Again, I'm going to trim off the sides and put the right fittings on there to make them into a pendant, but absolutely stunning. So let me know what you think. Would you buy resin jewellery, or is it not something that people want nowadays? But I just think, look at those stunning results. For me, sometimes they're better than gemstones. I think the effects that you get in resin, you don't really get in anything else. I mean, just look at that. Absolutely stunning. And another one. And I say, you could wear them the other way around as well. Obviously, they are mainly front-facing pendants. And I think we've got some absolutely stunning results. And even better for you, as I say, the first 10 customers of any of the other pendants or jewellery that we've got on the Etsy shop will get one for free. But just look at that. That shimmer, that shine, and the different colours that are in there. Absolutely gorgeous. And again, these were pretty much made from spear resin from one of the larger projects. But again, just those different colours, different shapes, different mixes, and every piece is unique. That is what I love about them. Nobody else in the world will have exactly the same piece as what you've got, because it's all dependent on the mixtures that go in, the shape that's used, the different micas. And again, in this one, if you remember, that orangey gold colour, which you can just see in that small one as well, was made by mixing up two different colours. So it's highly unlikely that somebody else in the world will have mixed up those particular micas. But that shimmer, It's absolutely lovely. So let me know in comments, would you buy resin pendants? Do you think the price point that I've got stuff priced at is the right amount on the store, or not? You know, it's for you guys to guide me. It's the first time I've actually listed any of my resin art for sale on the Etsy store, and it'd be interesting to see what you think. I've seen lots of different stores, lots of different price points, and I'm trying to get it right. But I also don't think these should be free, because these aren't mass produced and they're all unique. But yeah, really happy with some of these results. Just that shine that you get on them as well, especially with those iridescent powders coming through on top of the mica. Very, very unique, I would say. And yeah, absolutely loving these results. And it was such a simple project. So again, make sure you never waste your resin. Always put it into something and see what you'll get out of it. That one won't be listed because of that little corner. Or that one because of that bubble, and that's a shame because that's a lovely shape. But let me know what you think in comments, and if you've liked the content as well, please look at some of the other videos that we've done, some of the projects, some of the experiments that have come out. Some have turned out, some haven't. Again, just look at that for a small one. And let us know your thoughts. Let us know if there's any experiments you want us to try with resin, or if there's anything in particular that you haven't seen done before that you want to see done. But as mentioned at the start, I'm going to pick the top 10 of these, and they will go free of charge to the first 10 customers on the store that buy one of the other pieces of jewellery. So you're in essence, you're going to get 2 pieces for the price of 1.